Here we go. 98 Toyota Camry oil change. Need a 14 millimeter right here. Go ahead, take it off. There you go. Ah, her oil is so dirty.
Damn.
So dirty. Yep.
I got gloves on, I still got burnt.
Yeah. There we go. Well.
I think it's about to rain. Oh, I'm definitely.
Why it always rain when we do something like this? I hate it. Yeah. 98 Toyota Corolla oil change. Gotta make sure this right here is tightened properly. Really don't want this to be loose. Okay. And let's keep draining. There go the filter right here. I ain't gonna get that off, and it's real hot. Pass me the yeah, the wrench right there. You know which way it goes, right? It's actually it's left, yeah. So it's going that way.
Can you sure you can't push it up with your hand?
You think you got enough?
That shit push to be easy though.
Enough manpower to do it?
Hell nah.
Yeah. Can you get a good grip from that?
Yeah. Shit in a tough spot.
It really is. Les, can you come from like this way and do it?
Shit hot as fuck.
Yeah, it is. It's real hot. Oh. It's drizzling a little bit too.
Got it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
There you go.
Yeah, remove that. Perfect. Yeah. Pass me the new one in the.
Try to wipe it. I got a shirt. Let me see if your shit's good in the front.
It's right here. This is the frame. As I said, it's the 4967 frame. This is a tough guard right here. Where's the oil? We'll get the oil. Let me lubricate it real quick. That's easy and simple. Do an oil change on 98 Toyota Camry. Pop this open. Okay. Move around this so next time when we do this, it don't give us a hard time. We really don't need no hard time doing no oil change. I know I'm gonna have a hard time doing it on the on my Audi Q7 next week. Planning on doing it. I was supposed to do it a long time ago. 15,000 miles on the full synthetic Castrol Edge 5W30, or I could use the 0W40. Perfect. Here we go.